Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. I thought this might be kind of fun. I don't even know if I'm going to post it, but this came in the mail today, and it is a present from Ohuhu. And it's kind of funny because I got a present from Artix, and they also sent a present and a gift bag on top. So it's kind of cute. I think it's probably meant for you to take it out of here and put it in the gift bag, but I thought it'd be fun just to kind of open it up. I don't know what's in here. They did tell me they were sending a holiday gift. So let's see. I took it out of the big box it was in. I don't know how to get into this thing. It's oh, okay. Oh my. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. What is this? So I don't think this is, I don't know if this is something that you can buy. I don't even know what's in here, but it seems to be like a gift. It's probably something they send out to people that review their products, just as a holiday gift. All right, it's kind of like a cardboard box. It's wrapped in like a clear plastic wrap. This is paint up your Ohuhu, paint up your inspiration. These are always kind of cool, I think. Promotional art supplies, I think, are really neat. I love seeing vintage promotional art supplies, and even vintage like advertising things. I always think it's really cool to see like the promotions that different companies would send out. I think this is the top because there's wording on there. That makes sense because the side printing also reads upright if I have it like this. So, oh, it also says it on the bottom, but the side reads upright like this. So I'm going to assume that this is the way it goes. So I'm going to undo the bow here. Let's see. Ohuhu, paint up your inspiration. Here a little, looks like a vinyl or polyethylene pocket. And, oh, there's like, it looks like, I bet these are like coloring pages. Let's see. That would be kind of fun because I don't usually do like the adult coloring book pages, but I bet this would be really fun. Be My Valentine on that one. This one's kind of like an underwater thing. There's some fashionable ladies. There's another fashionable lady with a fruit headband. A lady, kind of like a mermaid, it looks like. These would be really fun to color and practice your blending with. You get a bouquet. Oh, pumpkin. That would be pretty for fall. I wonder if these are small and designed to do like for, like to put on greeting cards or something. That's a pretty background. That's really pretty. I like that. Oh, these are really nice. They feel like marker paper, which would make sense since Ohuhu does mostly markers. They have some paints too, but they're mainly markers. The paper feels really interesting. It almost feels like almost like a vellum. You know, it's got that kind of I don't want to say, it's not glossy, but it's got that like coating to it. And they're single-sided. Oh, that's kind of cool. That frog is really... Oh, I love the little creatures, little animals. That would be so cute in like a nursery. So these are really neat, little square sizes. Those could be framed. If you ever want to frame something that's square, you can use a record album frame, and those work really good for square objects. Are like 12 by 12, so you could like mat that up if you needed to. All right, what else here we have? This is artist credit Aaron DG. Oh, this must be artwork that Ohuhu commissioned on stickers. So let's take a look. The artist credit Aaron DG. Oh, I bet these are all made with the Ohuhu markers. Sometimes you do like little contests and stuff. I wonder if that's where these came from or if they commissioned them. Diana Perez, Zyken Blaze. Oh, these are really cool. Hannah Schuler. Lolly Freak is the username, I guess. T.A. Merritt T. This is nice. I'm so glad to see them doing artist credits here. Oh, the Ohuhu mascot. That's really cute. Palladier Zero. I think you'll be able to pause and read the credits on here. These are really, really cool. That's neat. So I like this. I think it's really kind of putting their finger on the pulse of like the younger marker artists out there that you see on YouTube. Really giving them a platform. I think that's really nice. I don't know if they're younger or not, but I feel like the style of art is a little bit younger. That's really cute. Oh, those are cute. Anako art. You know what? I remember they did like a Draw the Ohuhu mascot or something like that, like about 6 months ago. I bet this is why. I bet they did that contest for the artwork. Very cute, very neat stickers. I don't tend to stick stickers on stuff, but and everyone has an artist credit. I love that. But my girls do, so I'll probably see if they're interested in that. Create something wonderful today on Ohuhu paper pad. This looks like a little brochure about the Ohuhu paper. So that's cool. Oh, look, and there's a pad right there. Oh, I'm going to look at this a little bit later when I have a chance to read it. When I'm not filming. Spiral bound, acid free, heavyweight, maximum blendability, 60 sheets, 120 pounds. Let's take a look at this. I have their hardcover book that's not spiral bound, and I really like it. And I want to see, this paper feels much smoother though, and it feels a little bit more dense. I wouldn't say it's thicker or thinner, but it feels more dense and smoother than the hardcover pad that I have. And it does have a sheet to go between the pages. I like that. Although make sure, if you use these plastic sheets, make sure you like spray it with a little alcohol and wipe them off between projects, because sometimes the ink can puddle on this, and then you go and put it behind another sheet and you go to work again and it picks up the ink that's was from before. So that's neat. 60 sheets. That is good. Not pages. Sheets, not pages. So that would be 60 full sheets. That's really cool. I will definitely have fun using that. We've got some fine liners. Oh, this is perfect because I just took all my fine liners I had to a class, and they've just about had it. So that's great. I definitely needed a new set of fine liners, and this looks like a beautiful bag. Let's take a look. This is a really nice box too. Really nice storage box. I have a thing for boxes. That's really nice. I got a little cardboard. Let's see. Does this say what it is? It says art markers. Let's see. Oh wow, this feels really luxurious. Oh, it's more the blending markers. I love their blending markers. I wonder if they are I think the Honolulu Classics. Yes, the brush chisel Honolulu is very nice. This is really lovely. And we've got our 72 color swatch card. Very nice. And what else do we have in here? What is this? Is this our brochure? Oh wow, there's a lot more information in this brochure than oh, I don't know if that's a secret. But it looks like they might be coming out with some new guys. I think Ohuhu's coming out with some new nibs besides the slim chisel they just came out with. I don't know if it's a secret though. I don't know if I can tell you. They didn't tell me anything, but I'm excited. I'm excited. I better just not go through this yet because I don't know if I can tell you. But that's exciting. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited for what's coming down the pike. I just don't know if I'm allowed to say what it is. So this is a nice cushion bag. Looks like a good assortment of colors because you got some good pastels and we got some brights. Looks like a really nice arrangement. The I don't know if it's like the same as the original 72 color because I don't remember some of these pastels in the original 72. So this could be like a special set for Christmas or holiday Chinese New Year gifts. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's kind of exciting. Oh, this feels really nice. Thank you, Ohuhu. Thank you for sharing this. Thank you for the stickers and showcasing some new artists because that'll be fun to check out. And the really great supplies, stuff I'm going to use. So that's really nice. Anyway, I hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, happy whatever you celebrate. And until next time, happy crafting.